Hey my lovelies, hope you are all just doing great and safe. Well, today I have brought another sari draping video, and today's episode would be really different as I'm gonna show you how you can easily drape an organza sari. This organza sari I have purchased from Meesho, and if you want any of the products buying links, let me know in the comments, and I would request you to stay tuned to the end of this video so you never miss out any tips that I'm gonna share throughout the video. Now without any further ado, let's hop on to today's video. As you can see, I wore this boat neck pink blouse for today's look, and the sari was given with a magenta pink satin blouse piece. So I chose to wear this already stitched pink blouse of mine for today. It has buta of jari work all over. Now first come first, take the one end of the sari and start tucking the sari into your petticoat from the middle front of the petticoat or the shapewear. And I always suggest to drape the sari with your footwear on, which you are gonna use while going out. This is because it helps to determine how much of sari you need to tuck into your petticoat to maintain the perfect length so you don't sweep up the floor while walking. Now take the another end, which will be the pallu section, and make rough pleats out of it. And wrap around your body and put it on your shoulder. So easy, isn't it? Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make the pleats. And you must be aware of that the organza sari's fabric is so much fluffy and slippery, and it's not at all easy to tame the fabric, but it can be draped in such a way to emphasize the fall of the sari to complement any body type. Now I will tuck this loose section of the sari right into my petticoat, and no safety pin is needed here, trust me. Don't just make your sari draping more complex by using numerous safety pins. And in my previous videos, I have showed the making of the perfect pleats, and links will be in the description box if you wanna check. Okay, now parallelize the pleats from the both ends. See, while I'm just pulling the inner head, the pleats are also coming in place from the front also. And it's visible. Can you see it? Okay, now adjust the pleats across the length and hold all together of the pleats. Now tuck the loose end tightly for the final and tuck the pleats all together. See, even a fluffy fabric can also be managed following such steps, right? Now is the final step of making a pallu. You can make shoulder pleats with the sari, or you can keep an open pallu as well. I will go with an open pallu for today, as particular this sari has the shade of multicolor, and if you pleat the pallu, the whole look of the sari print would be suppressed to some extent. And if you make pleats with an organza sari, there is a possibility of creating a mess with the pleats of organza fabric's fluffy nature. Not that you can't, cause I myself have made another video with an organza sari with pleated pallu, and yes, do check out that video too. This is the heel I wore today, and now it is the time to accessorize a little, cause in my video I not only show the draping process but also try to showcase the styling of that particular sari. I will wear this stone studded necklace with this sari, and you already know, I think, this kind of long necklaces are in trend right now. The stone studded earrings, of course, and two bold rings on hand, and later added a nose pin. You can carry this kind of look in any day function of an wedding or as a guest look. It is that versatile. I hope you have loved my today's look, and I want to repeat that if you need any of the buying links of the accessories and all, please do let me know in the comments, and also know me your views regarding my today's look. Hope I did justice to your precious time, and you can also drop me any suggestions if you have, or any particular sari style you wanna watch from me. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and do hit the bell button so you never miss out any updates. See you on the next time with another video. Bye. Thanks for watching.